Hey YouTube, here's another quick video of the scissor lift I got. It's a Sino Boom scissor lift, and I just wanted to really quickly highlight the reasons I actually purchased this scissor lift after I drove this as well as a Genie and a Skyjack. This scissor lift does, the controls are virtually identical to a Genie, 2018 Genie, which is the one I had. With the exception that this one has the 4 stabilizer controllers on there, but I'm gonna go ahead and just jump on it and just show you just how well this thing controls and how gentle movements it creates. This is normal speed. This is turtle. You see how controlled that is? That's actually something that I wanted because I didn't want to have to worry about being a button in tight spaces or anything like that. Obviously, so yeah, this is basically the reason I wanted this unit. It just the controls on it are just honestly it seems even more controlled than the Genie. Elevating and dropping is about the same as you have with everything else. I think I'm very careful because I got this thing back here, but yeah, the control of it is just amazing. I mean, we just barely move it. The camera's back controls on it. So that's the model number right there. I'll go ahead and put a list for the gal that helped me out with it. This unit also came with lithium batteries, with a lithium amp. I think it's a 29 volt. There's the specs on the batteries. Oh, dang it, sorry. I think you can probably make it out. 200 amp hour, 120 amp, 24 volt, 120 amp pack. So anyways, the nice thing about this one is you don't have to worry about filling up your electrolytes every month. This actually has heated batteries in it, so you don't have to worry about the even cold temperatures, leaving this parked outside connected. Basically maintenance free. And then this is the controls. So if you see it, it looks like exactly like the one on the Genie, except for you hold this button down and then pull on the lever and it automatically finds level and up to 30% slopes. But if you do end up getting a scissor lift, which these machines are amazing regardless of what brand you go with, is get yourself one of these little corner things, or build yourself one out of like scrap material like I did here. These things are super useful, and you can use electrical wire for holding on like your large pole saws and stuff. Scissor lifts are amazing, but this one is just extremely versatile. I mean, I can take this unit and drive it anywhere, and it's nice and compact. So anyways, if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.